Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp without notification history. So for Android user, it's a big advantage because you have this feature chat notification history. To see that, you have to go to manage notifications and then you have to scroll down here and look for WhatsApp, or you can just simply type W or type WhatsApp and it will take you directly to your WhatsApp notification right here. Now, if you scroll down, you will see here chat history backup. And if this one has been turned on this whole time, then there's no problem retrieving or seeing deleted messages. It will just pop up when you swipe down your notification. But if you don't have this one, like in our tutorial, all you have to do is to click or turn on or toggle on this allow notification even if that person deleted his their messages. Same thing, you just have to swipe down and see all notifications, then you can read deleted notifications, but it's case to case basis. So this is the first step on how to see deleted messages if you don't have or without notification history. The second one is that you need to open your WhatsApp application and then you need to locate chat backup. On your WhatsApp, tap these three dots, go to settings, scroll down here, and then tap chats. Here you have to scroll down again till you see chat backups. Tap this one and then click a backup. Make sure that you're connected to that specific Google account. Now, here's the thing, you need to have this backed up first before someone deleted their message because this one cannot restore a deleted messages. So, if a message was deleted before the backup was created, that message will be included in the backup and you'll be able to restore it. But if a message was deleted after the backup was made, it won't appear if you restore from that backup. So there, I hope any of this method will work for you. That's how easy it is to see deleted messages on WhatsApp without notification history. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.